For this stage of the installation, you will need a roller cage with an extension, a Tuff phenolic core adhesive roller, a plastic spreader, and knee pads. Starting from the outer deck edge, pull the vinyl back on itself just over halfway. Roll-on adhesive is best used as a wet transfer glue, applied with a Tuff phenolic core adhesive roller, which is resistant to the chemicals in the adhesive. It's best to use the Tuff Industries adhesive rollers to ensure the glue doesn't react with the roller. Roll-on adhesive can dry quickly if the temperature is high and the humidity is low, so you'll need to work at a good pace during this portion of the install. Roll a consistent, thick layer of adhesive onto the plywood, making sure it covers the entire exposed surface of the wood. Once you have fully covered your exposed deck area with adhesive, check to make sure the adhesive is still wet. If any of the glue has started to dry, simply re-roll that area. Now, starting in the center of the deck, place your hands under the folded back vinyl. Push the vinyl into the adhesive on the deck surface, working your way out to the sides. Once all of the vinyl is glued down, use your plastic wallpaper spreader to firmly smooth and push any air bubbles out from under the vinyl. Start in the center of the sheet, pushing the spreader towards the outer edge of the deck. Make sure to overlap your passes by 1/3 so the vinyl is fully pressed into the wet adhesive. Next, you'll be gluing the other side of this sheet as well as the outermost side of the next adjoining sheet of vinyl. Pull back the unglued side of the outer sheet of vinyl onto itself, as well as the inside half of the second sheet. Roll the adhesive onto the center portion of the deck, following the same procedure as the first step. Now, push down the outermost sheet of vinyl first, before doing the same to the second sheet, which will overlap the first. You'll repeat this process for each subsequent sheet of vinyl.